I'm going to show you how you can download and play Skate completely for free in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So the new Skate game is finally out after years of waiting. Some people know this game as Skate 4 or just Skate, but it's basically the new Skate game that we have been waiting for 15 years. So if you want to download and play it for free, all you need to do is go to Steam. If you don't have it yet, then just download it and create an account. It's very simple. And right here, just search for Skate. So here we got this game. As you can see, it just got released 2 days ago and it's on early access right now. If you want to play it for free, just click on play game. Now select your hard drive and install. Now here you can click the download and you will see more details of the download. So in my case, it will take around 30 minutes. This will obviously depend on your internet speed. But after the download, you can just open it and enjoy this new game completely for free. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.